My Spanish kitchen is back. I'm sorry things happen in life, but now I'm coming back stronger than ever. And I would like you to be happy with all my recipes that I have to show you. Today I'm going to show you 2 recipes of calamari. If you like calamari, this wonderful beauty that you can eat, in Spain a lot, is a very typical tapa. You can go in Spain anywhere they have calamari. So 2 ways to learn how to do calamari. Stay tuned. I bought some rings of calamari already done. You can buy a calamari, and cut it in rings. The first thing, you have to wash it really well and pat dry. The key of this recipe, the calamari have to be very dry. What I do is all the calamari, I make layers with a kitchen towel to take out all the humidity. And I press, because the calamari have to be really dry. So I have all the calamari very dry, and now what I'm going to do is to put some black pepper, that is to taste, and some salt. Mix it really well, and now we are going to start making how we are going to fry this calamari. Okay, we are starting with the first one. I have here plain breadcrumbs, plain ones, and that is a cup and 1 cup of flour. So what I do is I mix it. If you don't like much to have less flour or much flour, you do it accordingly, and I mix it really well. So now is to add plenty of olive oil. I'm frying with olive oil, while our oil, as I said again, have to be very high heat. I have here just a calamari with salt and pepper, and I'm going to put it in our mixture of flour and breadcrumbs. You can do that in a Ziploc, you can do it like this. So we soak it in the flour mixture, and then we shake it to take out the excess. The tip for that recipe is that the oil has to be really hot. So try not to put too many at the same time, because then they get stuck together. So then what I said is, when they are going to be done, they go up. So then when we leave it there for a few minutes. I like it very crispy, so that is up to taste. So you see now they came more up. Now we leave it there until we see that they are completely crispy. I like to fry them very crispy, because they are, if not, they are very gummy and starting to be done. You see how they're getting brownish color, and they are completely in the surface. Done. I'm taking this out, and as always when I fry, that we put kitchen towel, so to absorb all the oil. We do the other budget, but we put it. So now we are going to do the second way, a tempura. I don't know if you have tried tempura. I have a sister who uses it for everything, and you must try it because it's so easy and really delicious. So what I'm going to do is just follow the instructions of the package. So here I have 1 cup of the tempura, and the trick is to use a very cold water. That is 1/3 of a cup. So I just mix it, and just mix the mixture. I whisk it really well so they don't have any crumbs. And now I have here the oil. Again, have to be very cold, very hot, and I have the calamari. So what I do is dump it in my mixture, take the excess off, and fry all of them. And again, they have to be crispy. Okay. I think I have a paper towel to get all the excess of oil. The tempura is fantastic, it's very easy, you know, it's delicious. And the way that with the flour and the bread, that is also fantastic. A bocadillo of calamar, another way to eat calamari that maybe you haven't eaten like this. The bocadillo, how we eat it in Madrid, we use a baguette and you fill it with the calamari. You will see how wonderful it is. I like to have the calamari with lemon, squeeze some lemon. You can have it with the mayonnaise. If you don't know how to do a homemade mayonnaise, up my link, up you will see how to make it. Of course, I have to try it. Delicious. If you like crispy calamari like I do, maybe you like more the tempura, but let me know which one do you make and if you like it. Thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed these wonderful calamari recipes, and if you like this type of video, please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. See you next time. Bye bye.